first come to Mindvalley University, there's an adjustment period of receiving so many hugs, fist bumps, great conversation, and nonstop smiling. And you quickly discover that these people aren't just your new classmates. You find hundreds of friends, and some become as close as family.
I'm about to jump off a fucking cliff thanks to you.
Oh my god, is this Skip's vlog?
He always demands to organize the group photos. He does a great job, but he always does this.
Okay guys, come on, fill in the gaps.
It's a selfie moment.
For time like this, counting each breath so we wouldn't miss it. Don't close your eyes. Undecided in all the trouble. Say goodbye, well you know I'd follow.
Here in the bucks, you know we rock it. We hug every day that we meet. It's BA Fest Way, it's Layla and Jimmy in the rain. You know we bring the pain.
All said and done, get your breath somehow. No, we're not the only ones watching now. Don't close your eyes. Onto something new, we'll say. Impossible isn't far away, so don't close your eyes. Don't want you passing by. Stay with me, here with me. When time is on our side. Stay with me, here with me. Stay with me, here with me.
And as we got into week 4, you really get to the point where hugging 100 people a day becomes the normal in life. I started to think discussing how to improve global politics and climate change was just everyday coffee talk.
Inspirational discussions you had, or people who had your back, or people who supported you in your vision.
Honey, we got a moon that's full and a dance floor made of grass. Blue eyes make me warm, make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising through the ceiling. Singing, ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you. Tonight like this, let's hold on tight. We got stars outside, and it feels just right.
And after the closing party, we all go our separate ways, back out into the world, inspired and feeling deeply understood and loved. But it's common to feel withdrawals from the culture, the conversation, the love that's so present at this Mindvalley community. Do we really have to wait a year to experience that again? And being my third time here, yeah, the love present at Mindvalley University is unlike anything I have found in the world. However, I've made it my personal mission to go out into my world and curate communities where this can become the normal, to show everyone around me how well loved they can feel by a good hug or a really present conversation. So until Amsterdam, let's all do our part to make the world a better place. See you soon.
Okay, bye.